So what can you get under 350 rupees in India? Turns out a lot of super useful gadgets. See, I'm going to show you 8 really cool gadgets from Amazon under 350 rupees, and the gadgets get cooler as we go along, so make sure to watch to the end. So first off, when I ordered this USB hub at 350 rupees, my expectations were really low. Turns out this is actually good. And for a USB-C hub at this price, this looks good. It has a metal build, and even though the Type-C connector is a bit loose, it's not a problem because it works. Now this is a budget USB-C hub, so it's only got 3 USB-A ports, with one of them a fast USB 3.0 port, but all of this works well. We connected things like a mouse, an SSD, and a phone to the laptop via this hub, and it all worked out fine. And for the price, this is actually useful, and this works with a phone too. This is an LED strip that costs 340 rupees, and for this price, this has some insanely cool features. I mean, this is a 1 meter RGB LED strip with 30 LEDs, and it has an adhesive on the back, so you can stick it, say, on a TV, plug it to the TV's USB port, and it will make the whole TV ambience way cooler. This has a remote here, and I like that you can control the brightness of these LEDs, the speed of the effects, and there are a ton of dynamic and a ton of static modes to choose from, and for the price, this is insanely cool. This is a tiny LED disco ball that might look a bit underwhelming, but this is actually awesome for your house parties, and this has a cool trick up its sleeve. So this tiny gadget is very simple to use. Plug this into any USB port and it will light up, and the lights here are pretty bright, especially in a dim room. I mean, this is the effect it brings to your room, but remember that cool trick I told you about? Well, the color of the light here changes according to the sound. So this is how it looks like when you're playing music. How cool is this for 200 rupees? This is a 5-in-1 gadget cleaning tool, and this is not under 350 rupees or even under 250 rupees. This is under 100 rupees, and this is awesome. So this has 5 tools, and all of them are pretty handy. It's got this big brush to clean things like the keyboard, and it's got a keycap puller so you can easily remove keys and clean things up. It's got a smaller brush to clean things like your phone's ports or speakers. It's got this metal nib to clean your earbuds, and it's got a sponge to clean your TWS case. Yes, this is a great all-in-one tool for just 89 rupees. This is a portable weighing machine I got for 330 rupees, and this is super useful. I mean, this is what it looks like, and this comes with batteries in the box, so you can just put in the batteries and you're good to go. You can use this to weigh things like your suitcase or your bag when you're traveling. And now testing, this was fairly accurate. This even weighs something as lightweight as a cable. I mean, this just works. I also like that you can change the units here, but there is one thing. The build quality isn't that great, but hey, it works and it's cheap. This is a super cool wireless mouse that just costs 299 rupees on Amazon. First of all, this has a very nice build quality, especially considering the price. The buttons are clicky and tactile, and the DPI here is adjustable up to 1600. Now, even though this is a compact mouse, I mean, this is how it looks like versus a usual mouse, but even with its compact size, this is nice to use and it's responsive, plus it's wireless, so no wires dangling around, and it runs via a AA battery, which is rated to run for a year. This is cool, but there's even a gaming mouse under 350 rupees. This costs 279 rupees, and this is RGB, DPI up to 6400, very good build, and it's comfortable for gaming. Next up is this 3-in-1 cable that is super useful for people who love traveling or have a lot of devices. This costs 349 rupees, and for that price, this is a USB-A braided cable with all the 3 outputs you need. This has a micro USB port for your older devices, a USB-C port for the new ones, and Lightning for your now older iPhones. Now, we tested this and this works without any issues, but one problem I did note is that the USB-C and micro USB only work for charging, no data transfer. See, most laptop keyboards or even external keyboards don't have a numpad these days, and that's where this comes in. This costs 350 rupees, and this plugs via the USB port and works without any problems. This has all the numpad keys, including a numlock key, and the keys have good spacing, so crunching numbers on it shouldn't be a problem. Now, the build quality is cheap and there is some flex, but for the price, this is going to be useful for a lot of people. Well, those are some really useful gadgets under 350 rupees, and all the links are down in the description, so check them out and tell us your favorite gadget in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.